Well, good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the mobile weather office, the vacation weather office. This is the morning briefing on the second day of July 2024. The heat wave is on in Northern California. It hit 100 degrees on Sunday, 103 yesterday, and today will be hotter than that. We do have some hot days coming up today and tomorrow. On July 4th might be a little bit lower, but then as we head into the weekend, it looks as though temperatures are going to be going back up again. So let me just start with just how warm it is first thing this morning. And as I'm recording this a little after 7 o'clock in the morning, I want you to notice some of these temperatures that we're seeing. So it's just after sunrise, and we're already seeing temperatures in parts of Solano County that are in the 80s, mid 80s. You notice all these temperatures, like look at Vacaville, the Nut Tree Airport. 90 degrees already. At Executive Airport, 81 degrees. And again, these are 7 a.m. temperatures. And also notice the wind barbs. The winds are out of the north. So it's that north breeze that is also triggering the red flag warning we have for today. So hoping we don't get any fires started because of the low humidity we have and that north breeze. It is going to be, it's going to be one of those days. Let's talk a little bit about the wind that we're going to be seeing. And it is that wind coming down the west side of the valley. So parts of Solano County and Colusa County will be pretty gusty today. Winds probably gusting as high as 30 miles an hour. A little bit less so in the Sacramento area, but the effect remains the same. It shuts down any sort of a cooling delta breeze. And as we head into the day on Wednesday, we'll see more of the same. This is early Wednesday morning, so that's why Wednesday will also be a pretty hot day with temperatures in many valley spots probably approaching about 110, maybe a little bit cooler in the San Joaquin Valley, but by cooler I mean 106, 107, something like that. But with that north wind, it is going to be hot. And then during the day Thursday, for the 4th of July, we'll start to see the north wind decrease. So the fire danger will be somewhat lower. And there may even be a hint of an onshore breeze. But I don't think there's going to be anything in the way of a cooling breeze from that. But that's why Thursday might see the temperatures drop down a little bit, going from, let's say, 110, maybe down to something like 106, 107, something like that. So with that in mind, let me just show you the temperature forecast here from the HRRR. And what I want to point out is this is around noontime, and it's forecasting noontime temperatures to already be around 100 degrees. So to me, that's one of the things that really makes up one of the key features of a heat wave like this. On Sunday, officially downtown Sacramento hit 100 degrees. So it hit there for maybe a short period of time in, let's say, the 4 o'clock hour. You take today, the temperature will be 100 degrees at noontime. Later in the afternoon, around 4 o'clock, it may be as high as 108, 109. And even at 7:30 tonight, the temperature will still be over 100. So you have a longer period of time where the temperature is at or above 100 degrees. So let me go back to that and show you just how how things are going to change as we go through the day today and into the day tomorrow. So this is this afternoon. And even this evening, this is around 7 o'clock this evening. Temperatures still around 104, 105. Overnight tonight, temperatures will stay quite warm. Early tomorrow morning, this is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, we have valley temperatures that are in the low 70s. We have foothill temperatures that are in the upper 70s to around 80. Wednesday will still be another hot day. This is Wednesday afternoon, up around 110 likely, up and down the valley. The north end of the valley, maybe you can see some 112s. Something like that. Then things will change a little bit on Thursday. On Thursday, we start to get that little hint of an onshore breeze. So this model is showing early morning temperatures down in the mid 60s, and then the afternoon should be a little bit lower than that as well. So yeah, we do have some hot days ahead. And again, I do expect the temperatures will once again pop up to that 110 range by Friday and Saturday. And then we'll have to see just how much cooling we may get on the back end of this. So a couple of things for today is you got to take it easy in the heat. Try to avoid being outdoors in the bright sunshine, exerting yourself in the hours, especially between about 2 and 7 o'clock. Maybe after the sun goes down, the temperatures will begin to drop off a little bit. But find some AC if you can. And for those of you that don't find AC or don't have AC, maybe you find some place where you can just cool off for a little while, because it does do your body good to have some cooler air for a while. And for those of you in the foothills that may see overnight lows tonight around 80, that's especially important. And the other thing is with that north breeze we're going to have today and again tomorrow, we have the red flag warning in effect. Be very careful around any areas of dry grass. And just be alert to your surroundings because any of those fires, grass fires that start, could spread pretty quickly. The Sierra will still be in good shape in terms of fire danger. We're mostly worried about the lower foothills and the valley floor, where they are more vulnerable to some of the fires starting with those areas of dry grass and that gusty north wind. So, yeah, the heat does continue, and it's just going to get worse over the next couple of days. I'll keep you updated even though I'm on vacation. Have a good day. Talk to you later.